Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is NJRR. I'm here to review the Womet-Tech bar ends from Tst Industries. Don't mind the keys, I don't want you guys seeing where I live. So, here we go. Nice little packaging. I got a red Cbr, as you guys know, so it was only fitting I go with these. Pretty good quality, it looks like. It comes with a Tst Industries sticker. Gotta love free stuff. Alright. Let's get these open. Oh, the struggle. The fucking struggle. Alright, there it is. Get the focus in. Focus. There we go. Alright, you got your Allen key bolt. Got the nice red, the black plastic. It seems pretty good quality. So let's go put these on the bike. Alright, first thing you want to do is back out this screw right here. Want to make sure you have the correct bit size. You don't want to strip that because that will be a pain in the ass to get out for sure. So we're gonna start by getting this guy going. Very simple process, as you can see. As I'm backing the screw out, the handlebar end is actually coming out as well. Just like that. There you go. That's the stock handlebar end. Looks pretty much identical to the Womet-Tech one, except for the colors, obviously. There you go. Let's get the Womet-Tech in there. Alright, now for this one, you're going to have to use an Allen key, just for the fact that that will not use a regular screwdriver. So, like I said, Allen key for this. What you want to do, slide this bolt out, and you want to match up, let's see if you can get that focused in there, that half donut circle thing onto that one right there. So we would place it. Just like so. We're going to slide the bolt in there. We're going to tighten it with the Allen key. Alright, be right back, guys. Alright, what I did here was, like before, I slid the half donut thing in. Then I took the bolt and fed it through with my fingers just to get it started, and then finished it up with this this bit right here. So as you can see, everything's on there. Real simple, real clean look. I'll show you this one compared to the stock. That looks sick. And that looks boring. But yeah, as you guys can see, very easy. Did this under 5 minutes. Would have been quicker if I have two hands and holding my cell phone right now, so sorry about that. But yeah, super quick, super easy, and it looks fucking sick. Alright guys, thanks for watching.